There was a CEO of a prestigious New York hotel who traveled twice to Seoul, South Korea, in 1 year. He stayed at the same hotel both times. When he arrived the second time, the hotel receptionist greeted him warmly. "Welcome, sir. How nice to see you again." The CEO was impressed. He decided he wanted his staff to greet returning guests the same way. After returning to New York, the CEO consulted with specialists, who recommended installing cameras with face recognition software. The cameras would photograph guests, compare each guest's face with photos of previous guests, and alert the receptionist if the arriving guest had previously stayed at the hotel. The cost of such a system, however, was a staggering $2.5 million. The CEO decided the price was too high and abandoned the idea. He determined, however, that the next time he traveled to Seoul, he would discover the hotel's secret. On his next visit, after being greeted warmly as a loyal return guest once more, he asked in an almost embarrassed manner how the guest recognition system worked. The receptionist's answer was beautifully simple. The receptionist said with a shy smile, "Our hotel had a deal with the cab drivers. While en route from the airport to the hotel, the drivers chat with their passengers and casually ask whether they had stayed at the hotel before. If they have, the drivers put the luggage on the right of the desk. If this is someone's first time at the hotel, the drivers put the luggage on the left. For this service, we pay the taxi driver $1 per guest." This story is quoted from the book, Inside the Box, A Proven System of Creativity for Breakthrough Results by Drew Boyd, Jacob Goldenberg. This case shows us well that we can solve the problem without spending a lot of money.